Hello, I'm Greg Sadler, and this is a video specifically about something that a lot of people inquire about. Do I do commissioned videos? And the answer is yes. Now, what is a commissioned video? I'm always producing videos. At this point, I actually release about one a day. I've produced over 3,000 videos about various thinkers, topics, and texts in philosophy over the last dozen or so years. But every once in a while, somebody will come along and say, hey, I'd really like to see some content on this particular thing. Do you think you could do it? And then my answer is, well, if you want to commission my time and effort and expertise, I'm happy to do that, provided it's something I'm actually competent to discuss. And every once in a while, somebody takes me up on that. So if that's you, then you might want to go further with this. Or, if you don't have the wherewithal to do it, perhaps you want to do some crowdfunding if you want videos strongly enough. And what you can do, the very first step is to write me at my business email, which is greg@reasonio.com, not reason.io, but reasonio.com. I don't know where reason.io goes to, but it isn't me. You can easily find my email in all sorts of places online. You can find it in my YouTube channel, just going to the channel page and clicking on the show more and for business inquiries, right? So if you want to get in touch with me, go ahead and email me. I will send you my rate sheet, which changes from year to year. It'll be the most current one. And then we can go forward in talking about what it is that you're looking for expert video content on. So it could be, I just want a one-off video. It could be, I want a whole series. We can discuss that once you tell me what it is that you're looking for. And so, if you want videos on a particular thinker or text or topic, or even sometimes problems or practices, if I'm competent to do so, then I'm happy to do so, provided you book my time that I'll not be using on something else that would be remunerative or important to me, so that it can all be, pretty fair all around. Now, I do stress that term, I've got to be competent in it. So if you're asking me about some thinker I've never even heard of, let alone read, that's probably not a great fit. If you're asking me to try to produce content on non-Western philosophy, perhaps not a good fit either. There are other people out there who would be a better fit. But if it's on somebody who I teach, somebody who I've studied, somebody who I've read, I'm very happy to spend the time and do the planning and carry out all of the work of shooting a video, editing it, uploading it into my channel. That's all cool by me. I can do several different kinds of videos. You've probably seen many of my core concept videos, which are anywhere from like 10 to 20 minutes usually, focused on one main argument or distinction or idea or practice that we find in a philosophical text. Sometimes I'll do an entire series on a text. I can also do videos that are similar to the half-hour Hegel videos, a close reading of a particular section of a text. I can also do things that are more like the old school videos that I did back in the day, shooting an entire hour of me at the chalkboard talking about a particular text or thinker or topic. And, I can do series of videos if you're interested in that. If we want to, really go through something, it might take multiple videos to do that. What do you get out of it? Well, I mean, there's bragging rights to begin with. At the very end of the video, you'll get a credit. You'll also get a credit in the description of the video saying this video was commissioned by so-and-so. So, you're kind of doing public service in a way for which you get the compensation of praise and recognition, but you also get what you really, really want, which is me, for whatever reason. Maybe you like the kind of work that I do, or you think that I can be helpful for you in taking complex ideas, difficult texts, and making them accessible for people from all sorts of walks of life, from fellow academics all the way down to working people and lifelong learners and everybody in between. Maybe that's really what you want. I expect that it is if you're willing to commission me. And so, you'll be getting some of my teaching, my discussion, accessing my thoughts and study on it. But you'll also be doing something good for who knows how many other people. Some of my videos get, a couple hundred views. Some of them get 100,000 or more views. And so you could be contributing to the development of something like an encyclopedia online available to all sorts of people, covering whatever thinkers and texts and topics it is that you're particularly interested in. Obviously, the number of videos required to talk about something competently, thoroughly, comprehensively is going to vary. And so it might not be just, commissioning one video, could be commissioning a series. But that is something that I'm very happy to talk with you about. So once again, if you're interested in commissioning me to produce and upload videos within my channel that are focused on the things that you're really, really interested in seeing videos about, and specifically seeing me tackle, first step for you is to email me at greg@reasonio.com, my business email. I'll send you my rate sheet. We can have a conversation about what exactly it is that you're looking for, and that is the first step. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and contact me. Otherwise, keep it in the back of your head, and if you find later on down the line that this becomes something that you want, well, you know exactly where to find me. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be around, God willing, for many decades yet to come. And so if you want to commission me, if you want to hire me, in effect, to teach you online through the medium of video, just get in touch and we will take it from there.